Now we're going to talk about demonstrating our green beans here. So our green beans are nice and well cooked. You can see that they're not totally olive green, but they are well cooked, so they're not a bright green any longer. But we want them to be a really nice and soft texture, very, very easy to chew to get to our level 7. Once we get to our level 7 here with our nice well cooked green beans, we're going to take them and we're going to actually cut them up slightly. Now again, I try to line them up roughly. I'm not going to take too much time to do this, but I'm going to try to line them up so that they stay somewhat consistent. And then when we cut through them, we just do a really, really rough chop on those, simply because we want them to be a little bit smaller so that they fit the standards of that level 6, so that we've got a nice width of the fork there. So just a generalized rough chop on those will get those to a level 6. Now to get them to a level 5, we're going to actually put them into the Vitamix with a little bit of liquid. So we'll take our green beans here and place them into our blender. And then we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of our vegetable stock. The vegetable stock here that we're using is the sauteed vegetable stock from Miners. And we'll do a quick chop on these. So to get these to that nice mixed and moist level there, we just put them in there for just a few seconds. You can see that by putting them in there, these little pieces are now can fit between the tines of the fork there. So just by doing a little bit of extra moisture and a few seconds in there, we're able to get to that mixed and moist texture. Now, to take this down to our puree texture, we're going to need to add even more liquid and take it down just a little bit further as well. Now that we've taken that down there just a little bit more, okay, now we've been able to take this down into our puree stage, where it falls off mostly. You can see that we have very little left on the spoon here. This would be closer to our puree stage here with the green beans, where there's no chunks. Now to take this down even further, we'll add a little bit more liquid and allow this to go a little bit longer. So now you can see we have our level 3 green beans that are nice and liquid. Here we have our different levels of green beans. So we've got our level 7 here that are nice, soft cooked, very tender. We've got our level 6 where it's slightly chopped here to fit the width of the fork. We have our mixed and moist, our puree, and then of course our level 3 or our liquid.